So hi guys, this video is on the review of the Corvus OS based on Android 12. So I'll be reviewing this ROM right now. So let's just unlock the phone. So the animation is good. So even the fingerprint. Okay, you even have smart lock. So when you're walking, phone will automatically be unlocked. So when it comes to smoothness, look, the ROM is damn smooth. And you can keep these widgets like, okay, wait. Oh, I have no place to click. Okay, let me just show you the widgets. As you can see, there are so many widgets. Can for WhatsApp, Terminal Emulator, Telegram, Steam, Spotify, and many more apps. And this is the new Android Easter egg. As you can see, it's here. And next thing is the performance. The ROM is actually good. Corvus, always I've heard it for gaming, and the ROM has no kernel. As you can see, no kernel, and it's Android 12. So it has very good thing like this. So when this ROM is also good, and when it comes to charging, the ROM, every custom ROMs, it can't charge it fastly. So only ROMs based on MIUI has fast charging. This also has fast charging, but not like so fast. So generally it takes like 1 hour in the normal stock ROM. So here it's gonna cost you 1.5 hours, I guess. And in some custom ROMs, MI Fitness app doesn't work, and people complain about that. But in this ROM, it's working. As you can see, my watch is connected to the phone with the widget on. So the widget animations are also smooth. And this is the Ampere app. You can be looking for the temperature of your phones and battery and many more. So this is the notification panel you'll be getting in this ROM. You can edit how much ever you want. And Geekbench tests, I'll be doing it now. So this ROM has a little bit gaming features too, and this ROM is good for daily driver. And look at the CPU Z. Wait for it to open. Yeah, you can see the full details of this. It's same everywhere. So you can see Corvus underscore Alloyat. So now let's go to the Geekbench. Open the app, accept. As you can see, Android 12, ARM Qualcomm, run CPU benchmark. So here we go guys, the results have come. You may feel it's pretty less because my phone is too hot. So, generally frames drop when your phone is too hot. Same way here, so my phone is like a little bit hot. So still we have a good score. 834 single core and multi-core 2003 739. And the comparison is here. Single core is here. Now let me do the Antutu. So agree. Now let's first check the storage test now. So in meme UI I was getting like 30 to 35,000, and here you can see a 9,000 boost. So let's go and test the full testing. So guys, the results have come. So it's 5 lakhs. I'll be doing another test because, as I told, my phone is too hot and the FPS drops will be there. So I'll do another test and update you and tell the scores at the time. So basically this ROM is too fast, and still you don't get good scores, and you can just change the kernel. It's no kernel. You can flash some like you can flash wild angle kernel and some more kernels like that. So now Antutu test is done, As you can see, there is live caption and Google Lens. Wait. So clear cache. When it comes to animations, this ROM has a lot of animations. Basically, even Android 12 has too many animations. As you can see, there is no lag in this. In the video, I'm recording the video on 4K 30 FPS, so you won't feel the actual 120 Hz. Now, as you can see, these animations are so good, and in every app it applies in settings. And for example, okay, Google, you can see even the animations come in every app. So when it comes to rooting, you want to root this ROM, then it's very easy. Just you have TWRP, then just boot to it. Like restart, same thing, restart and press power button. Keep pressing power button. So the TWRP is booted, and you want to root, go to wipe, advanced wipe, Dali card cache. So guys, whenever you want to install something, just do this and wipe your Dali card cache. Now go to advanced, go to install Magisk. It says install Magisk V24, the latest version. Swipe to confirm. So that's done. Reboot to system. And guys, if you face a boot loop after this, so I'm giving you 100% chance. There wouldn't be any boot loop. If by chance you face a boot loop, then go to advanced in TWRP, and you can just click on flash TWRP, flash current TWRP, which will be flashing the TWRP again, and you will be losing root access. So guys, look at the boot animation, it's too good. It's kind of attractive, you know. And sometimes in custom ROM, booting takes some time, so that shouldn't be a panic. So look at this, Corvus OS. Now, so look, it takes some time when you restart the phone. Still, it's faster than MIUI. Widgets take time to load, but still it's pretty fast. So guys, root, search for the Magisk app. It'll be here. Look, as you can see, it's here. Finish full setup. Okay. Settings and hello from any source, update. Magisk. Open the app. As you can see, installed 24.3. So Magisk installed. So guys, when it comes to Dolby Atmos, you actually don't have Dolby Atmos in this ROM. I mean, some custom ROMs only have it, and MIUI based ROMs have Dolby Atmos. So if you need Dolby Atmos, you can in the Corvus support group, you can ask for the Dolby Atmos. They'll be giving you the zip and APK. You can install the APK and then flash the zip in TWRP, so that the audio wouldn't be actually like Dolby Atmos, but you'll be getting a good one. So guys, when it comes to charging, let me show you charging animation. It's too good. Wow, look at that animation. It's too good, you know. And from these app, you can just look at the charging info. Status charging, plugged AC adapter, level, everything is good. Health also it shows. Health is good and everything. So you can unplug the charger. So that is all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.